Two Korean scientists have been named as promising Nobel Prize candidates, a milestone for Korean science. An investigation has revealed some households are not paying their heating bills. An altercation involving a famous actress exposed the problem. And since international airports in Korea's provinces increased the number of flights to China, they have seen a surge in smuggling. Hello and welcome to News Today on KBS World. It's Friday, September 26th. I'm Luke Clary. Two Korean scientists have been named as promising Nobel Prize candidates. It wouldn't be the first time a Korean has won a Nobel Prize. Late President Kim Dae-jung won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2000. But it does mark an important milestone for Korean science.
The Thomson Reuters Citation Laureates list was announced on Thursday, outlining its predictions for this year's Nobel Prize winners. The list, compiled by the media and news company, includes Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology Professor Yoo Ryong and Yale Professor Charles Lee, who is of Korean descent. The selections are based on an analysis of scientists' research, their fields of study, and the contributions they have made to humanity. And this marks the first time Korean scientists have been included in the Reuters predictions. Yoo Ryong is a globally renowned expert in a functional substance called zeolite. Meanwhile, Charles Lee is a leading researcher in human genetics. He was named for his discovery of how certain genetic variations are associated with specific diseases.
So we can understand what DNA changes might affect what drug is better for the person's cancer treatment.
Reuters has released its list of laureate candidates since 2002. Out of 156 predictions, 25 have won Nobel Prizes. With the predictions out, expectations are mounting for Korean scientists to win Nobel Prizes in physiology or medicine and chemistry this year. The winners in the two categories will be announced on October 6th and 8th, respectively.
Korean actress Kim Boo-sun was involved in an altercation with a neighbor over heating bills at her apartment complex. Now, a probe has revealed that some households there didn't pay their heating bills for 11 months.
KBS has acquired the details of heating costs paid by some 500 households in actress Kim Boo-sun's apartment complex. Over the course of 27 months, 128 households paid nothing for their heating at least once. One of them paid 0 for 11 months. Two of the households paid nothing for their heating for 10 months, and 16 others paid nothing for 5 months.
말이 안 돼요, 그거는. 저는 조금만 떼도 거의 15만 원 나왔거든요.
Police have requested experts to closely examine the heating gauges of 10 households that paid nothing for their heating at least 6 times. A similar problem has been found to exist in other apartment complexes as well. Son Young-jin, who lives with his elderly mother in an apartment unit measuring 62 square meters, also had a similar experience. Back in February, he paid around $220 for heating, whereas 33 of his neighbors paid nothing.
너무 놀라서 도대체 이게 똑같은 경우가 이 아파트에도 있구나 하는 사실을 알고 상당히 경악했죠.
The root cause of this problem lies in the poor management of heating gauges. Apartment management offices often overlook their responsibility to check gauges installed in apartment units. Moreover, checking the heating control devices inside the units is not easy for apartment managers.
도시가스처럼 난방 계량기도 정부 기관에서 정기 점검을 하게 되면 이웃 간의 다툼을 줄일 수 있고요.
Regulations on the installation of apartment heating gauges were strengthened in 2012, but older models that were installed prior to that still remain in use despite their numerous flaws.
Family members of the Sewol ferry disaster victims charged with acts of violence came in for cross-examination. The victim's attorney says that Representative Kim Hyun was also involved in the scandal.
The cross-examination lasted late into the evening. It was to find out the truth. The families of Sewol disaster victims insist that both sides attacked each other.
진술 과정에서 엇갈렸었던 부분들이 좀 어떻게 맞춰진 게 있나요, 혹시?
일단 성실 답변했으니까 모든 것은 지켜보겠습니다.
Police also interrogated 3 other people, including a passerby who was attacked while trying to stop the fight, and a designated driver who has been hospitalized. Sources say that in the cross-examination, they mostly reiterated their previous testimonies. Meanwhile, the victim's attorney says that Representative Kim Hyun is also involved in the scandal, claiming he silently approved the scuffle. The attorney also threatened to file a petition if Representative Kim is not punished, along with the Sewol disaster victims' families.
폭행의 발단이 김현 의원과의 시비에서 먼저 시작이 됐고 일부 그 김현 의원 일행 중에서 김현 의원을 좀 뜯어말리는 상황이었고.
Police will decide whether or not to request arrest warrants after wrapping up the investigation.
The families of 10 Sewol passengers who remain unaccounted for are staying at a gymnasium in Jindo, South Jeolla Province, desperately waiting for the recovery of the remains of their loved ones. Controversy is brewing over Jindo County residents' demand that the families leave the gymnasium.
Following the sinking of the Sewol ferry, families of the victims have stayed at a gymnasium in Jindo, South Jeolla Province. Representatives from Jindo County's Organization on the Sewol Disaster visited the gymnasium on Thursday night to meet the families of Sewol victims who are still missing. They demanded that the families leave the gymnasium and move to either Pengmok Port or a nearby educational facility. The representatives explained that the gymnasium is the sole comprehensive sports facility in Jindo, and they need to use it for the region's sports festival next year.
진도 한 중앙에 있는 다중시설이고 여러분 이용하는 이 시설에서 대중시설에서 일하고 있어버리면 진도 국민은 어디로 가란 말입니까?
A spokesperson speaking for the families of the missing passengers sought the residents' understanding, as the families are desperately waiting for news that their relatives' bodies have been found. It was also pointed out that the families want to remain at Jindo Gymnasium because it is a symbolic place.
여기 계신 분들은 진짜 마음 아픈 일밖에 안 되거든요. 그렇기 때문에 이 내용을 얘기하실 곳은 여기가 아니라 범대본이라는.
The representatives of Jindo residents failed to meet the victims' families. They will further discuss the matter with the government task force on the Sewol ferry disaster. The families of 10 missing Sewol passengers remain at the Jindo Gymnasium. No additional bodies have been found for more than 2 months since July 18th.
Since international airports in Korea's provinces increased the number of flights to China, they've seen a surge in Chinese passengers. This has also resulted in an increase in cases of smuggling.
Customs officials find prohibited food products in a Chinese tourist's bag.
소세지, 순대, 여기 보시면 이런 거 전부 다 일이 안 되는데 왜什么带来了吗?
In just half an hour, the customs control table is piled up with banned products. And the airport warehouse is packed with these confiscated items. Most of them are Chinese-made pharmaceuticals. They include tranquilizers and pain relievers that are banned in Korea because they contain heavy metals and antipsychotic substances. Also among these confiscated items are fake luxury imports. Over the past 2 years at Cheongju Airport, Chinese pharmaceuticals were seized on more than 6,500 occasions, topping the list. They were trailed by fake luxury goods. The situation is similar at many other provincial airports. The problem arose after Chinese tourists were permitted to enter Korea without a visa, as well as provincial airports increasing flights to China.
취득하는 물품이 600불 이상인 경우에 미리 세관에 신고해야 합니다. 자진신고 불이행 시 부가금액의 30%에 해당하는 가산세 부과 등의 불이익을 받을 수 있습니다.
In the first half of the year, the number of passengers flying to China rose 12.6% year on year and continues to grow.
Until now, self-driving cars were limited to science fiction movies. However, experts say South Korea could see some of its first domestically produced driverless cars as early as 2022.
A car changes lanes and overtakes a slower vehicle ahead. The driver only sits behind the wheel as the car itself makes the decision to pass the vehicle in front.
주위의 장애물이나 도로 등을 판단하고 그것에 따라서 가야 할 길의 방향과 그런 속도 이런 것들을 계산을 해서 스스로 운전하게 되는 시스템입니다.
The car stops when it comes to an intersection and slows to a halt when it senses an approaching pedestrian. It sets off again after the pedestrian crosses the street. The driver-free car parks itself in an empty space. A touch of a smartphone button automatically brings the car back to the driver. Experts say that the domestic self-driving car technology rivals those of global industry leaders like Google, Benz, and Volvo. Like foreign companies, domestic car makers are expected to mass-produce driverless cars as early as 2020.
2017년을 상용화 시점으로 보는 곳도 있긴 합니다만 대부분의 업체들은 2020년을 상용화 시점으로 보고 있습니다.
With predictions that 75% of cars on the road will become driverless by 2040, domestic automakers are speeding up their efforts to develop their technology.
The Korean action film The Pirates has topped 8.5 million viewers at the box office. Thanks to word of mouth, the film has maintained its place at the top even a month after it hit theaters. This and more in today's entertainment news.
According to a tally by the Korean Film Council, as of Monday, the domestic action-packed blockbuster, The Pirates, surpassed 8.5 million in admissions. It's still far behind the 17 million chalked up by Roaring Currents, but is still considered a box office success, considering it was released around the same time as Roaring Currents, and moviegoers had to be split between the two. Experts helped promote the film, describing The Pirates as a comedy that anyone can enjoy. Even after a month, the movie continues to draw moviegoers. In other culture news, singer and actor An Jae-wook will release a digital single album on Friday. The single will be included in his regular album coming out next month. An is also planning to hold a concert on October 4th to mark the 20th anniversary of his debut. Meanwhile, the band Ulala Session has also released a digital single album. The track entitled I'll Be There has a bright melody and is very rhythmic. The band members themselves appeared in the song's music video. Band leader Im Yoon-taek died last year from stomach cancer, but Ulala Session is still going strong with plans to put out their first regular album next month.
A national museum dedicated to the Korean alphabet Hangul is opening and expected to serve as a venue to promote the history and value of the world's most scientific alphabet.
The National Hangul Museum is situated inside the National Museum of Korea in Seoul's Yongsan district. An array of relics are on display, including models explaining the history of the Korean alphabet and a letter written by Empress Myeongseong on a sheet of colored paper. On paper shaped to look like traditional Korean socks, a daughter wrote a heartwarming letter wishing for her parents' good health.
17세기 이후부터 20세기 초까지 유행했던 것으로 생각. 어머니와 아버지의 두 개의 거선권을 지어서 드리는 것이 하나의 유행처럼 있었습니다.
A special exhibition has also been prepared to commemorate the accomplishments of Joseon Dynasty King Sejong. Among the items on display is his golden seal obol. It's set against the backdrop of the sound of rain at the Chungmyo Royal Shrine. There's also an interactive site for children and foreign visitors. The museum sits on an 11,000 square meter site and houses some 10,000 valuable Hangul-related relics. It will open on October 9th, which marks Hangul Day in Korea, with free admission.
연간 150만 명에서 200만 명 정도의 관람객을 예상하고 있고요. 문화를 즐기고 누릴 수 있는 그런 공간으로 조성하고자 합니다.
Visitors should also check out other rare items at the museum, including a handwritten letter by King Jeongjo showcasing his unique calligraphy and a copy of the Hunminjeongum Haere Hangul publication book on loan from the Kansong Art Museum in Seoul. Relics of the more recent modern era can also be found, such as an early Hangul typewriter, printing types, and handwritten letters by distinguished authors.
Many people think that beam projectors are only used by professionals or at corporate meetings, but a growing number of ordinary people carry beam projectors with them while traveling because these devices are much smaller than televisions. And here are the pros and cons of using beam projectors at home. A large screen covering the entire wall and picture-perfect images. This used to be a privilege only theaters could offer. But now you can have all this at your home thanks to beam projectors. They're compact and easy to carry around. By connecting your beam projector to your mobile phone, you can watch movies anywhere, anytime. Beam projectors are drawing more and more attention recently.
광고하는 거 보면 되게 제품들이 많은 것 같더라고요. 근데 장단점도 잘 모르겠고 가격대가 어느 정도 차이가 있는지 잘 모르겠고.
We compared the quality and performance of several beam projectors. They come in various models these days. Beam projectors can be divided into three types. They're LCD, LED, and DLP types. The LCD and LED types combine their colors after passing three primary colors through a prism. The DLP projectors create colors by reflecting the light emitted by lamps.
LCD 방식 같은 경우는 색깔이 부드러운 특징이 있기 때문에 굉장히 자연스럽고 그다음 보기가 편한 느낌이 있는 거고요. DLP 방식 같은 경우는 색감이 좀 선명한 느낌. 그래서 어떤 영상을 좋아하실 때도 좀 진한 영상을 좋아하시는 분들이 더 선호도가 높으시고 LED 방식은 최근에 나온 이제 방식인데요. 밝기가 아직까지는 낮기 때문에 불을 끄고 쓰셔야 되는 그런 제품입니다.
Recently, users can even buy short focus projectors, which can be used in small spaces. To maximize space efficiency, install your projector on the ceiling. We visited a family that uses a television and a projector to compare these two products. The family mostly watches TV, but when it comes to movies, they like to watch them on their projector. This family says beam projectors make movie watching a perfect hobby for the entire family. Both televisions and beam projectors have their own charm.
TV는 굉장히 편리하고 프로젝터 같은 경우는 편리성에서 약간 떨어진다고 생각을 하는데 근데 그 크기가 주는 그 감동은 뭐 텔레비가 뭐 따라가지 못하는 부분이 있기 때문에.
Here's a comparison of televisions and projectors. Televisions are easy to turn on using a remote control. To use a projector, you have to close the curtains and roll down the screen, which can be a bit of a hassle. Beam projectors are mostly used to watch movies, but you can also watch regular TV shows by connecting your TV to a beam projector. Beam projectors are relatively cheaper than televisions, so for the same price, you can enjoy a larger screen, even doubling the size of your TV screen. Turning your home into a theater is no longer a distant dream. Using the right type of a beam projector, you can watch big screen movies from the comfort of your home. Now we'll take a look at the markets, followed by the world weather. That's it for this edition of News Today. We'll see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend.